How to switch between wallet in Zengo app. Are you guys facing issue to switch wallet in Zengo application? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To switch wallet and Zengo application, first of all, open the app on a mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. After you get logged in, look at the top of your screen where you can see this option from main wallet. Tap on it. After you click on it, if you have another wallet available, just simply select the wallet, and that's it guys. That's how you're gonna switch wallet in Zengo application. I don't have another wallet because to enable the another wallet and pro version, I don't have any kind of pro version, that's why it's not available. If you do have, you can switch your wallet. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.